In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok on X. Think of Grok as your built-in AI companion on the X platform, ready to help you brainstorm ideas, craft posts, or pull quick information while you stay right inside your feed. I'll walk you through where to find it, how to start a conversation, and how to get the kind of engagement or information you actually want. First, go to your Twitter, now called X account. Once you're on your home screen, look to the left side of your screen. In the sidebar, you'll see the Grok icon. Click that icon to open the Grok panel. This brings up a clean, simple space where you can type directly to the AI and get instant replies without leaving X. If you don't see it right away, try expanding the sidebar by hovering or looking for the AI or Grok label and then select it. Now you're ready to be creative and enter your prompt to engage. Start by deciding your goal. Do you want help generating engagement, like a catchy post or a conversation starter? Or are you looking for information, such as a quick explanation or a concise overview of a topic? State that clearly in your prompt. For example, say you want a short, friendly post with a strong hook, or ask for a brief summary in plain language. You can also tell Grok the tone you want, like playful, professional, or concise, and the length you prefer, such as a single sentence or a few lines. Think intentionally about the kind of engagement or info you want to receive. If your aim is interaction on X, ask Grok for a hook, a question to spark replies, or a clean call to action. If you're after information, request a quick list of key points or a straightforward explanation. You can provide context, like your audience or topic, to make the response more relevant. If the first answer isn't quite right, follow up and refine. Ask Grok to be clearer, more specific, or to try a different angle. Feel free to explore. Try variations of your prompt to compare results, switch tones to see what fits your voice, and iterate until it feels just right. You can save ideas, test different versions, and come back to Grok whenever you need a boost. The more clearly you describe what you want, the better Grok can deliver. That's it. Open your X account, click the Grok icon on the left panel, enter a thoughtful prompt, and shape the response toward the engagement or information you're after. Have fun experimenting and let Grok help you move faster and create with confidence.